Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today is Triple Play Saturday, and yes, we're going to kick it off with round one. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Enjoy, barbecue, have fun, party like it's 1999, but most of all, people, be safe. All right, let's get this review started. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome lineup for you. This is Triple Play Saturday. We are starting it off with round one, and every single round is going to be off the chart. You don't want to miss not one round. Now this watch face is by Smart Watch Faces, right? Now the name of the watch face is also called Master with a B, and I like that name for a watch face. I think it's very slick, very cool. And in the always on mode, you're going to pretty much get the same look as when the watch face is on. It's just not going to give you that little instrument right there. Now, the whole watch face and the design and the layout is not a bad look at all. At the top, you're going to get info on your weather, Celsius and Fahrenheit. And I believe if you come down, that's going to be info on your humidity. Now, if you come over, you get what looks like a sun, right? Now, let's say it's cloudy and raining. So if it's cloudy and raining in your area, you're going to get clouds with some rain right up under it. If it's sunny, cloudy, and raining, you're going to get that as well. I thought that was a nice added touch to this watch face to know what type of weather is going on the outside. And right up under it, you're going to get your battery info. You got a little animation going on right there. And above it, of course, you get your battery percentage. That is important. And if you come down all the way to the bottom, you're going to get your date. You're also going to get your digital time. And you cannot customize the color of the digital time. Now, down at the bottom, you're going to get the day of the week. I thought this was truly a good look on the watch face. And this is inactive. So if I single tap, I can go into my settings. If I tap here, I can go into my step status, calories burned. If I tap at the top, I'm going to be able to get my weather. I definitely thought this was a good look so far as shortcuts were concerned. And down at the bottom, if I tap on it, it changes the theme. I don't know if you can see it. This video isn't going to do it justice. It really doesn't light up that much, but it is a good look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday round one. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. And don't miss Triple Play Saturday round two. It is right around the corner. All right, you all, I will see you all at the next video. Take care. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out and enjoy the weekend.